In this video, we're going to analyze famous quotes from anime. Today, we're going to look at Goku's quote from Dragon Ball Z. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
いいだろう。木っ端みじんにしてあの地球人のようにな。あの地球人のようにだと。クリリンのことか。クリリンのことか。
So today's quote is クリリンのことか. Kuririn is Krillin, as you can tell. Be careful when you pronounce the R sound in Japanese. The tip of your tongue lightly touches or flaps the gums behind the back of your front teeth. This is closer to the sound of T or L rather than the sound of R in English. Not Krillin, it's kuririn. Noun plus the not particle plus koto means regarding or about something. For example, 彼は映画のことに詳しい. He knows very well about movies. 仕事のことで悩んでいる. I'm concerned about work. So, クリリンのこと means about Krillin. か is usually used at the end of the sentence to make it a question by both male and female in formal speech. For example, 元気ですか? How are you? おいしいですか? Is it delicious? However, when か is used with casual speech, it becomes male speech and also sounds blunt and offensive as it's usually used to equals or inferiors. Then how do you make a sentence into a question in casual speech without offending someone? You just write the intonation at the end of the sentence like 元気? おいしい? So if Goku said クリリンのこと or クリリンのことですか? It sounds very gentle despite his Super Saiyan rage. So クリリンのことか literally means is that about Krillin? But a better translation is you mean Krillin. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.